Yeah, go ahead.
My first question is about HR 11, Disability Ledbetter Act.
Yes,
First, I believe it was the first bill that was signed into law that
it was.
2000. And you voted against it.
I did.
So what it did was it increased the amount of time somebody who felt that they were discriminated against increased their time to file discrimination suit.
Now, did it create? I have a question for you. Obviously, you're very knowledgeable about this. You've researched it. Did it, for the first time, did it make it illegal to discriminate for wages?
No.
No. Was it already the law of the land that you could not discriminate for wages?
Yeah, but what it did is it increased the 180-day statute for filing an equal pay lawsuit regarding pay discrimination. And what happened was that amount of time reset with each new discriminatory patient. So it just increased the amount of time that women had to bring up a lawsuit.
Yeah.
My question to you is this. Do you believe, number one, do you believe that it's the government's place to pass this type of legislation? And number two, do you believe that there is pay inequality in America?
You know, I believe that it should be illegal, should be absolutely against the law to discriminate for wages, wage discrimination for any reason, not just gender. It should be anything. And you know what? It has been the law of the land for a very, very, very long time. And the fact is that this was not a piece of legislation that I agreed with. Because as I read the bill, as I researched it, this allowed companies to be sued for wage discrimination going back decades. I mean, decades to the point where folks who were, because, I mean, I'm not as old as Larry, but Justin, we're probably the same age. But frankly, early in my career, I can tell you there was wage discrimination. It was there. We know it was there. You know, some of it was gender, some of it was other reasons, and it was wrong. It was wrong. But many of these, what Betty Ledbetter does is allow companies to be sued. And some of these companies, the people that made those decisions decades ago to discriminate, wage discrimination, they've long since passed away. And to me, this was just another way to crush businesses that, frankly, that practice changed. I mean, we have had wage discrimination laws on the books for a very, very, very long time. And so I just, to allow that open door to go back that far, you know what it seemed like to me, honestly, was a trial lawyer stimulus plan. And I'll be the first to stand up against discrimination for any reason. No doubt about it. And I would have been, if we would not have had provisions in place to prevent stimulation or prevent discrimination, I would be very right on top of it and be supportive of it. But frankly, I didn't find it was necessary given the laws that we had today.
But I don't think that that's right because there had to be 180 days before that suit. There had to have been a discriminatory patient. So the practice couldn't have changed so far long ago. It was only half a year ago that they had one bad patient.
But the fact is that folks in recent history have had those protections for a very long time. This really was reaching back into, we call it recent history or distant history, and allowing trial lawyers to it really would have been an economic stimulus. It would have been crushing. And to pass that at a time when we were just, and at the time we were under 8% unemployment, granted, but that was just nationwide. Parts of this congressional district, we actually have two of the counties that have the highest level of unemployment. And the timing of weighing something again on small businesses for a purpose that's already protected under federal law by statute, it just didn't seem necessary.